Hello, wanderers of the world. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. We're your virtual compass, guiding you to the world's most enchanting destinations and sharing fascinating tales from every corner of the globe. Today, we're setting our sights on a country that captivates hearts and minds alike, Italy. From its world-renowned art and architecture to its mouth-watering cuisine, Italy is a cultural treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So buckle up as we take you on a virtual journey to the heart of Italy. Our first stop in Italy brings us face-to-face with the legacy of world-renowned artists and sculptors. Italy, a cradle of creativity, gave birth to some of the most legendary figures in the art world. Names like Michelangelo, the mastermind behind the Sistine Chapel's ceiling, resonate across the globe. Then there's Leonardo da Vinci, a genius whose works such as The Last Supper and Mona Lisa continue to intrigue and inspire millions. And let's not forget Caravaggio, whose dramatic illumination technique forever changed the course of painting. Each artist, with their distinct style and vision, played a pivotal role in shaping the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Their works, scattered across Italy in churches, palaces, and museums, are testaments to their genius and the nation's rich artistic heritage. They are timeless reminders of Italy's contribution to the world of art. Indeed, Italy's artistic heritage is a treasure trove that continues to captivate the world. Next up, we find ourselves in the world's smallest city-state, the Vatican City. Despite its minuscule size, this spiritual epicenter of the Catholic world boasts an astounding wealth of art, history, and culture. Underneath the canopy of a mesmerizing skyline, St. Peter's Basilica stands tall. As one of the world's largest churches, it's a testament to the grandeur of Renaissance architecture. This masterpiece is lavished with intricate details, from Bernini's bronze baldachin to Michelangelo's Pieta, each telling a unique story. Just around the corner, the Vatican Museums are a treasure trove of art and antiquities. They house a vast collection that spans centuries, from ancient Roman sculptures to contemporary art. Perhaps the crown jewel of the Vatican is the Sistine Chapel. Its breathtaking ceiling, painted by Michelangelo, is a testament to the transformative power of art. A visit to Italy would indeed be incomplete without witnessing the grandeur of the Vatican City. From the Vatican, we move to a marvel of architecture, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This world-renowned structure is more than just a quirky photo opportunity. It's a testament to the resilience of human innovation. Constructed in the 12th century, the tower's infamous lean is due to an unstable foundation. Yet it has remained standing, captivating the world for nearly 8 centuries. The tower's design is a classic example of Romanesque architecture, replete with ornate columns and arches. Standing at over 55 meters high, it's a feat of medieval engineering, despite its precarious tilt. Did you know that the tower is actually the bell tower of the Pisa Cathedral? It's a part of the city's cathedral square, known as Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles. Over the years, restoration efforts have managed to reduce the lean slightly, ensuring the tower's continued survival. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a true icon of Italy, stands tall despite its intriguing tilt. Our journey continues as we step into the world of gladiators at the Colosseum. This iconic symbol of Rome is steeped in history and was once the heart of public entertainment. Built over 2,000 years ago, the Colosseum is an architectural marvel, showcasing the grandeur of the Roman Empire at its peak. The elliptical amphitheater, the largest ever built, could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators, who watched a variety of events. From gladiatorial contests, mock sea battles, animal hunts, to dramas based on classical mythology, the Colosseum was the epicenter of Roman culture and entertainment. The Colosseum is not just an ancient sports arena. It's a symbol of the innovative engineering capabilities of the ancient Romans and stands as a testament to their architectural ingenuity. Despite the ravages of time and numerous earthquakes, it remains one of the world's most popular tourist attractions. The Colosseum, a testament to Rome's ancient glory, echoes tales of bravery and conquest. Leaving the ancient world behind, we find tranquility along the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. A strip of Italy's most idyllic coastline, it's a place where the mountains kiss the Mediterranean and vibrant towns cascade down cliffs like colorful confetti. Imagine strolling through the narrow, winding streets of Positano, where homes and hotels in shades of pink, peach, and terracotta tumble down to the azure sea. Or perhaps you're savoring the sweet scent of lemons wafting through the air in Sorrento, the unofficial gateway to the Amalfi Coast. Ravello, perched high above the sea, offers unparalleled views that have inspired artists and writers for centuries. And let's not forget the coast's namesake, Amalfi, with its grand cathedral and bustling piazza, a testament to its rich history as a maritime powerhouse. This corner of Italy is a feast for the senses, a place where natural beauty, history, and la dolce vita blend seamlessly. The Amalfi Coast, with its stunning landscapes, is nothing short of a paradise on earth. From the serene coast, we now immerse ourselves in the melodious world of Italian opera. This form of art, deeply ingrained in the Italian culture, is a captivating blend of drama, music, and spectacle. It's an expression of the Italian soul, full of passion, emotion, and grandeur. Consider the mesmerizing works of Giuseppe Verdi, whose operas like La Traviata and Aida have become international classics, or the breathtaking compositions of Giacomo Puccini, whose La Bohème and Madame Butterfly continue to enchant audiences worldwide. It's not just about the music, but also the stories, tales of love, betrayal, and triumph that touch the human heart. Italian opera houses, like La Scala in Milan or Teatro di San Carlo in Naples, are architectural marvels in their own right, adding to the overall enchantment of the opera experience. Italian opera, a melodious symphony that resonates with the heart of Italy. Our next stop is the picturesque Cinque Terre. Nestled along the rugged Italian Riviera coastline, Cinque Terre is a string of 5 fishing villages, each painting a vibrant splash of color against the backdrop of steep terraces. As you traverse the winding paths, you'll encounter rows upon rows of vineyards. Harvested with care and tradition, these vineyards produce some of the finest Italian wines. The intoxicating aroma of fermenting grapes mingles with the salty sea breeze, creating a sensory experience that's uniquely Cinque Terre. The charm of this place isn't confined to the ground. Look up and you're greeted with spectacular views that seem to leap out of a postcard. Azure waters of the Ligurian Sea, terracotta rooftops, and verdant hills, everything converges into a breathtaking panorama that leaves you spellbound. Cinque Terre is more than just a destination. It's a symphony of colors, a testament to life's simple pleasures, and a celebration of the harmonious coexistence of nature and mankind. Cinque Terre, a perfect blend of nature's bounty and human creativity. From the hills, we now venture into the enchanting city of Venice, a place where the streets are made of water, and the city floats like a dream on the Adriatic Sea. The city's lifeblood are its canals, winding waterways that crisscross this remarkable place, each one a path to another hidden gem. Gondolas, the iconic boats of Venice, glide gracefully through these canals, offering an intimate view of this unique city. Each gondola ride is a journey into the heart of Venice, revealing its ageless beauty and charm. This city is not just a feast for the eyes, but a symphony of sounds. The soft lapping of water against stone, the distant melody of a serenading gondolier, the chiming of ancient bells from St. Mark's Basilica. These are the sounds that fill the air, creating a melody that is inherently Venetian. Venice, a city that floats on water, is truly a dream come true. Leaving Venice, we ride into the world of Italy's iconic Vespas. Humming along cobbled streets, these scooters are more than just a mode of transportation. They embody the Italian spirit, vivacious, stylish, and free-spirited. Zipping through the bustling city or cruising along the picturesque countryside, Vespas have woven themselves into the fabric of Italian lifestyle. They've become an emblem of Italian elegance, capturing the essence of Dolce Vita, the sweet life. Vespas, a symbol of Italian style and freedom. Finally, we reach the heart of Italian culture, its cuisine. Picture a world without the divine triangle of pizza, pasta, and gelato. Quite unimaginable, isn't it? These culinary masterpieces, adored from New York to Tokyo, from Sydney to Buenos Aires, hail from the sun-kissed landscapes of Italy. Pizza, with its humble beginnings in the vibrant streets of Naples, has become a global sensation. Its versatility allows it to be a canvas for countless toppings, from the classic margherita to the exotic Hawaiian. Next, pasta, a staple in Italian cuisine, comes in all shapes and sizes, each designed to hold a specific type of sauce. Its origins trace back to the ancient Etruscans, making it a millennia-old tradition. And finally, gelato, the Italian rendition of ice cream, is a smoother, denser, and more flavorful treat that has its roots in the frosty peaks of the Dolomites. Pizza, pasta, and gelato, the triumvirate of Italian cuisine that has won hearts across the globe. And there you have it, a glimpse into the soul of Italy. From the timeless mastery of artists and sculptors, the spiritual heart of Vatican City, to the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Grand Colosseum. We've explored the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, the enchanting opera, the vibrant Cinque Terre, and the romantic city of Venice. We felt the wind in our hair on a Vespa and tasted the divine trinity of pizza, pasta, and gelato. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more exciting travel content. Visit our website travelingkangaroo.com and follow us on our social media accounts. Safe travels until next time.